They were trying to claim ownership of the film.
Right. I'm not gonna let nobody get ownership of nothing I do. I write this film, I direct it, I'm not letting nobody get nothing of my films when I know I have a following. I'ma just keep putting out great movies, and they worth $19.99. And I get $19.99.
Right. You get the whole thing.
Yeah.
So can you say what the sales were the first day?
I made $1 million the first day.
You made $1 million the first day.
Yeah, 900,000 for 940-something thousand.
Well, I'm going to tell you, after watching the film, I'm positive you made a profit on the first day. I'm positive. I know that, the film was dope, but I know that was not $1 million budget film. So you did well right now.
Hell nah.